What's up guys, it's TheGearChange here back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to be installing some Emerald Struts. Now George, the creator and founder of Emerald Struts, was kind enough to send this set out for the little XR4 behind me, and I've been using them on the XR5 for I believe over 3 years now, and they are absolutely awesome. I'll show you guys what they're like on the Focus now. They're pretty sick. They make it super easy for when you're putting your gym bag in there, or food, or shopping, or whatever pretty much needs to go in your boot, with it basically being hands-free to open it. So really excited to get these on. I'll show you guys what it's like currently with the standard struts, and then obviously I'll show you the after once we've got them installed. So I'll show you step by step how to get it inside the car, and yeah, let's get to it. So here is the XR4 in its current form. Got my little key fob here. So usually when I'm opening the boot, say I'm heading off to the gym and I want to put my gym bag, you hold down the boot button. I think it's like 2 presses and you hold it and it will pop. And obviously it's not going to come up all the way. Now the gas struts in it aren't too bad, but they're pretty stiff, unless you're sort of giving it a little bit of a push with your finger. Then it's not really going to push up all the way until it gets to a decent height. So yeah, they're not too bad, but you know, compared to the Focus, which was the daily for quite a while, it makes it a little bit frustrating when I'm taking this out and about and I have to sort of constantly lift up the boot, especially if you've got your hands full. It makes it really tricky. So quite keen to get these in the car. I've got my toolkit there, well, my little screwdriver set, just to sort of pop these original pins out. So got to be careful. I'm going to do one side at a time. Not going to repeat the mistake I did when I tried putting new struts in that one, where I accidentally damaged the tail light. So I'll show you how to do it, and I'll set the camera up where it's sort of easy for you guys to watch and follow along. So yeah, let's unbox them. Here are the struts in their box. Got the little sort of tag or label there saying Ford Fiesta MK6 automatic boot struts. So let's open it up. So got a little card there with a little QR code, which is pretty sick. Then the instructions on how to install it. I'll obviously be doing it sort of verbally and showing you guys how I do it with the video, so I don't have to necessarily read along, but if any of you want to read along, you can sort of pause and check that out. So put that to a side. And then here are the struts themselves. I believe they're so long that they don't actually fit in the bag that was meant to be packaged, so we'll carefully pull them out one at a time. So there they are. Pretty long struts, to be fair. I think honestly they look a bit longer than the ones that I put in the Focus. I could be wrong, but if we take a little look here, yeah, they're a pretty long gas strut. I guess potentially it could be a sort of longer boot, who really knows. But either way, they've got the nice black springs on there, which look awesome. So I'll get some scissors and we'll pop these open and yeah, get the old ones off. Right, so just taking these out of the packaging here, pull all that off. So there they are. Emerald Struts, MK6 Fiesta. That's the bottom screw there for the M8 bottom heads, which are here. They're sort of stuck to the packaging, so you will screw these on, obviously, once I've taken the old ones off. So you've got basically the 2 ball joints on the top and bottom and the pin clip. So you've got to remove the 4 pin clips before we actually put it on the car. And then once you've got each sort of ball joint on, you then pop the pins back in place. So that's the black spring. And then there's the other sort of ball joint there with a little bit of grease in there as well. So really nice piece of kit. Really keen to get this on, and it will match the Focus nicely. Okay, so I'm going to remove the original strut. Dad's holding the Emerald strut for me here in the corner, just because the tailgate sort of lowers and I don't want it sort of smacking me on the head. But the idea is to basically lever this up, take this side out, lower it down carefully, and then lever the other side up and off. Alright, so there's the one strut, the old one off. You got the new one for me. Alright, so I believe this top one goes on here, like that. Bottom one Goes on here. Like so. I then need to add the pin clip. There's one. And then the other one down here. Seems to be a bit trickier on this side.
Let it up a bit.
Yeah, maybe. There you go. All right. So the right side is now installed. Okay, now to do the other side. It's a bit bright over here. Sorry about that. I have lowered the exposure a little bit, or as much as I can. But same process, pretty much just levering this up and off. There's one. And the same for down here. Lever it up and off. So down goes that one. Here comes the emerald strut. Same thing. Push it on the joint. A new one here. And should be able to, if we lower it or push it up more, get it up on the joint. Hopefully.
A few moments later.
Sorry guys, had a little bit of trouble getting this one here down at the bottom, but I pretty much did it the opposite way. I put this little M8 sort of pin clip on with the ball joint, or the ball joint, then screwed it in, and then clipped it up at the top. Didn't really want to do it the other way. I tried to make it happen, and I didn't want to force it too much, obviously, because they're spring-loaded, so I was trying to be conscious of that, but they're both in now, which is pretty awesome. So let's, we'll leave this down. It'll be pretty stiff, but let's shut that. Move the good old Australian recycling bin out of the way. I was just using it as a filming stand whilst Dad wasn't here. Hold the button down and look at that. That is awesome. So there they are, finally installed. Absolutely stoked with the quality of these. As I said, I've got them on the XR5 and I use them all the time. They've been in a few different videos as well where I've sort of popped the boot to do sort of part reveals and other things like that. But yeah, overall, considering it was just me here for the most part with Dad for a little bit, not too hard to install at all, especially if you want to have a crack by yourself. You might have to use your head as a sort of, I guess, rest for the boot for a little bit when you're doing each one to make sure you put the pin clips in properly. But yeah, overall didn't take long at all and looks fantastic and functions as it's meant to. Again, it's a bit stiff to start with, but over time it sort of loosens up and gets to like a sort of sweet spot like it did with this car where it's just bang on. All right, so that'll do it for the Emerald Struts install on the XR4 Fiesta. Huge thank you again to George, who is the owner and founder of Emerald Struts, for sending these out. I really do appreciate it. If you guys want to get these struts for your car, whether it's a Fiesta or the Focus over there, or another make and model, they have plenty on their website, and you can use code BLUEXR5 for 10% off your order. If you enjoyed, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.